Welcome to shop early Black Friday. 3M Speedglas Heavy Duty Welding Helmet G5-01 ADF G5-01 and 3M Adflo High Altitude PAPR Assembly 46-110130i. You can find wanted, shop from a wide selection of devices in different configurations for your needs. Filter by specification, type, brand and more. Short features highlight are include. The G5-01 welding filter features 3M natural color technology, which makes the filter views seem lighter, more detailed and colorful. Auto on/off. Speedglas welding filter G5-01 offers variable dark shades 5, 8 to 13 and tack welding comfort mode. May be utilized for most types of arc welding. The big, 104x170 mm, clear protective visor is curved, with excellent views up, down and peripherally. For more control over your comfort, the innovative G5-01 helmet airflow optimization system lets you direct the airflow to either your face, visor, or somewhere in between. If you want to get full features and full details of 3M Speedglas heavy-duty welding helmet, please visit the link in YouTube description. If you think our channel is useful for you, you can press to subscribe us and press the bell, look for all, press to get instant notifications of all future uploads.